Right, we're just going to do some testing now to ensure that the system is working correctly on overload. So I've got my weight attached to the front, but currently the weight is on the floor, so there is no weight actually hanging from the lifting point. I've got a weight of 180 kilograms on the load and hook, which is the weight of the quick hitch only. And what I'm going to do now, I've got 3.2 tons on the front. Is the weight of my test weight. So that plus the weight of the quick hitch, 3.2 plus 180 should be giving me just under 3.4 tons on my load and hook when the weight is suspended off the floor. So I'm going to make sure that is somewhere close. Yeah, just about perfect. 3.2 plus the 180 kilograms should be giving me 3.38 or so. That's within 20 or 30 kilograms of that, so I'm quite happy. My capacity is currently 4.28 tons. Now what I want to do is test that my amber and red alerts come on at the correct time. So what I'm going to do is I am going to calculate at what point the amber alert should come on, which is at 95% of the safe working load. And I'm going to do it the other way around, in that my capacity should be that plus 5% when the amber alert comes on. So the test weight is, let's quick look at that. Test weight is 3.38, which is the weight of the weight plus the quick hitch, times 1.05. I would expect my amber alert to come on at roughly that weight, just over 3.5 tons on the capacity reading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my load radius. And what I'm doing now, I'm looking at the bar graph on the side, and I'm looking for the point where the amber LED first comes on. Approaching the top. There we go. Amber alert there. And I was looking for about 3.5 on there. It's going to 3.3 at the moment. Let's see at what point it comes off again. There we go. 3.5. Back in again gradually, see at what point the amber alert turns off. Yeah, 3.5. And now I want to calculate at what point the red alert, which is the overload warning and the motion cut should occur. And that's going to be my test weight of 3.38 tons times 0.96. That's because the overload warning comes in at 104% of the capacity safe working load. So I would expect the overload limit to cut in at about 3.25 tons on the capacity reading there. So I'm going to increase my load radius again. There's my amber alert. motion cut and the overload alarm is occurring. It's at 316. If I bring the weight in slowly, let's see at what point it goes off again. It should be at around 3¼ tons. There you go. Try it one more time. Let's try that one more time at 105%. The overload warning should cut in. So that would be 3.38 tons times 0.95 equals. So roughly 3.2 tons on the capacity is when the overload should come up on the screen. Capacity of 310 on there, and I'm in overload. I cannot move my boom any further into overload. I'm going to bring it out, and at about 3.2 tons it should come out of overload and go back to its amber alert. One more time.